in hierdie geval het hulle vir ons die reeks uitgeskryf. Hier het ons 3 reekse, soos julle kan sien. En hulle sê glad nie vir ons watter reekse dit is nie, maar hulle vra dat ons hierdie reekse in Sigma notasie moet skryf. So the first thing I need to determine, what's the little body that goes next to the sigma sign? That's going to be the formula to create this. And to need that formula, I first got to see whether this is arithmetic or geometric. En wanneer ek dit weet, moet ek die Tn bepaal om die liggaampie langs die sigma neer te skryf. So kom ons gaan kyk. -7 minus 3. Dit is as dit 'n rekenkundige reeks is 4. -11 minus 7 is weer eens 4. So helaas is dit 'n rekenkundige reeks. So kom ons bepaal vir Tn. I need the body next to the sigma sign, and that I get out of Tn, not Sn, because Tn creates the term 1, term 2, term 3. So Tn will be a plus n minus 1d. So let's see. I've got the first term. I don't need n yet. And I've got 4, the constant difference. So the Tn formula is going to be minus 3 plus 4n minus 4. So this one's going to be 4n minus 7. That's my Tn formula. So now I've got that little piece that must go. Is it 4n? 4n, let me just check. Plus 4n minus 4. Minus 7 minus, it's minus 4. Let me just fix this. See that the d equals minus 7 plus 3. That gives me minus 4. So let's change a little bit. It's going to be minus 4 plus 4. So that's going to be minus 4 plus 1. That's my Tn formula. Minus 4 plus 1. So you can use n or you can use k. Doesn't matter. In the book they've used k. So now I can write the sigma notation. I've got the body that will create these terms. Now I've got to determine. We start with 1 always, because that's going to give me minus 3, then minus 7. Now we need to determine what's the position of the last term. So now let's take minus 123. We equal it to minus 4n plus 1, and we determine the position of the last term. If you do that, you get the position of the last term as 31. So now you can write the sigma notation in full. Goes from 1 up to 31. You substitute it into that body, and it will spit out that arithmetic series. Let's look at that one. First, we've got to determine, is this arithmetic or geometric? If you look at that guy, you can clearly see that that's a geometric. If you work out your R value, you will see that R is 8 on 3 divided by minus 8 on 1, and that gives you 8 on 3 multiplied with the reciprocal, and that gives you minus a third. And if you do the same with the term 3 divided by term 2, you will get exactly the same R value. So now we need the Tn of a geometric, Rn to the power of n minus 1. So let's substitute. We've got the value of A, we've got the value of R, n minus 1, and remember, you can't multiply that to that, it's totally mathematically incorrect, so you leave it exactly like that. So now we're going to write down the sigma. The sigma, we always start here at 1. We've got the body now, created out of Tn. And now we've got to determine up to where does this guy goes. That guy goes until forever, so it's the sum to infinity. Dan kom ons by ons laaste enetjie, Ons laaste enetjie, if you look at that, we're going to determine Tn. So kom ons gaan kyk gou. 20 gedeel deur 100 is 'n 5de en 4 gedeel deur 20 is ook 'n 5de. So ons kan sien dat ons hier 'n deur het van 'n R het van 'n 5de. So ons gaan hê som van, ons gaan eers ons liggaam kry, Tn van AR tot die mag n min 1. So we're going to substitute the first term, then we're going to substitute R to the power of n minus 1. So that's our body. Now we've got to determine the position of the last term. So let's substitute the last term into this to see up to where must we count. So as ons daai ouetjie gaan doen, dan kry ons die waarde van n gelyk aan 8. So nou kan ons sigma notasie gaan skryf en ons begin ons counter by 1, hy gaan tot by 8 en my liggaam van my meetkundige reeks het ek alreeds daar uitgewerk. So now we've got that exactly as that is. If we've got to determine or write down the sigma notation when we've got the written out series. Let's go and practice that.